Fucking New England. Oh, sorry. Effing New England. 75 and sunny yesterday. Rain today. So I had a Misfire code come up. Number 5 cylinder, which thankfully is easy enough, is in the front. So we're going to check that out. I have the old, I did coils, all the coils the right way years ago when the first coil failed. I said, I'll do them all. But I did save all the old ones, so I can hopefully find a good one, put it in there, unless it's an injector issue. But, all right, let's get some tools. All right, got the old workbench going, the CH150 scooter. Trying to get this cover off, and of course I dropped the where is it? Oh, there it is down there. We can't reach the old 8mm 1/4 inch setup. Great. I don't think I'm putting that on anymore. I'm tired of that. It's a pain in the arse. All right, number 5 is right here. Let's start it up and I'll show you what the symptom is, in case no one's familiar with what a misfire is. So the engine shakes, it's not running right. You know? Things aren't doing what they're supposed to. Come on, stop. See her shaking? Oh, she's got Parkinson's, which is a very sad disease. I shouldn't make that reference. But let's see if we can just unplug the coil. No different. Yeah, so no difference. That one is glued on because it broke. That one made a difference. Let's see if we can go swap left to right until I find my extra coils and see if that moves the problem. This is just a quick way of diagnosing, you know, swap it over, see if the problem moves. I've got a little moisture on that. Is that moisture or is that like grease from when I put it together? Could be. Anyway, so we're going to swap these two. I know it's that cylinder in the middle there because I put the scan tool on. It said number 5, which is, what do these do? These go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think Ford does that. All right, let's get this bolted up. All right, let's see if this. That seems worse, so I think the problem moved. Yeah, it's running way worse. Oh, look out! So see, that one's good now. It made a difference. So this coil's no good. All right, let's go find the ones I saved somewhere in a box somewhere. Should be easy to find. I could think it's over there. Aha! I was way off. There they are. Factory Ford ones. And okay, we're recording. Of course, we're going to go one step further and do it the right way. Let's see why it was wrong. Why it's bad. Let's see. So this is the new old stock. So one of the terminals to this to the outlet, I got 5.43 ohms, and that's on both terminals. Across these two, I think I have like 1.2 or something. But if we go over to this guy, the old one, the only thing I'm seeing is, I thought it was lower. It was 4 point something. Now I'm getting all over the place. See if I got a good connection here. Always check your connections. Yeah, it's a little 4.6. It's a little lower resistance. Is that why it's bad? It could be. Look here for any arcing. This is the one that I said I had like a little moisture on it, I thought. Let's see, does this come off? Probably could skip this hole. Look for cracking. You know, things will crack. You'll see arcing, but see all the dust, it's not really disturbed, so I don't know, maybe just an internal failure. But let's crack on and get this new one in and see how she goes. This was number 6 or 9. Is this a 9-cylinder? I forgot to give this video real importance. I'm gonna lose the shop if I don't get this done. No, I gotta get to my dad's, actually. I gotta go visit my pops. Family first, people. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna check the plug. Did I say that? Why not? I don't think I've checked these. They've been replaced. They're probably those lifetime plugs, but let me get 2 hands on this. All right, that came out as expected. Like hard as a rock, stripping aluminum. I'm looking through the, I don't know, look all right to me. It's burning clean. Look at that nice tip on it. Ooh, is it iridium or something? Is that fancy new thing people with nice cars have? I can't get it. Oh no, it says platinum. But see that? It looks like right there. It looks like a crack. I don't think it is because obviously we moved. Unless I cracked it taking it out, but always check your porcelain. That's why I use a spark plug socket with the rubber in it. Otherwise you get an angle and you'll crack that very, very easily. And usually you can feel it. You can move it like this and that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up these threads. I thought that's probably Loctite that I put on there, but not Loctite, but anti-seize. I don't think that's aluminum. It came out. Fucking effing metal and aluminum don't mix. Okay, back together. Plug cleaned up. I think the threads are just dirty. Maybe it was some sort of anti-seize on there. Oh yeah, smooth as butter. Alright, let's mute this. We don't have any copyright blobbity blues. Alright, so we're going to check engine light. Let's go into what this is, a basic scan tool, Foxwell. I bought this because it could read the BMW codes, my previous videos, which I'm sure you've all seen, on the Z4, my ex-girlfriend. Well, she's still a girlfriend. Let's see, MS is on, read codes, stored. It's probably gonna have, it was had a generic 316, and the other one was 35 cylinder 5 Misfire. Alright, so we can clear that out. And let's do that.